Alright guys, I think we actually might have a gusty shower coming in or something. Hope the sky just got darker. If it were more intense, then maybe I'd be actually pleased with it. But I think it's not like here yet. It's still forming. But maybe by the time it gets here, we can get some good stuff. Because it should maybe come in the next 15 minutes or so. Maybe 15 minutes or so. I do have to go. I'll be gone I have to go before like 4:45, so if I need to, I'll make sure to set up my Pix Pro out here. But still, man, this is not like a tornado watch, man. And even though there's like gusty showers, some lightning strikes, but really not much of thunderstorms, there's gusty showers around us that are producing like heavy rain. Some of them are prompting flash flood warnings. The one here I think is producing well, I think there's one forming or something. So we might get hit by one. I hope. Maybe some heavy rain. But it's not gonna last a very long time. But if you look at the clouds here, they do like start to get darker down there. So right now, I think here is where it is. So make sure to point my camera there when I'm gone. I'm going to keep this video short. I'm not going to record it for too long because I will be setting up my camera and I need a little bit of time to get it all set up on the tripod and everything. But I hope it doesn't get knocked down in the wind. I would really like if maybe more storms would develop. So, if you don't remember, I'm going to talk about May 27th. As you know, it was a flop because there were no storms here, but there were potentially severe storms around us, and they developed. There were some potentially severe storms developing around us, and they would hit. And we still had like a slight risk with 5% tornado probability after like 10 or 11 p.m. I think. But it didn't hit our area, so pretty unfortunate. But maybe we will get hit this time. Or maybe we won't. So that's gonna be it for this video. I'll get back to you when the storm actually hits or something. It's not really a storm, but when the shower hits or something. But I'll see you there. I'm definitely not expecting any flash flooding here. Not in this area. It's becoming kind of still. And if there's like a tornado warning it's becoming still, well, there is a tornado watch until 10. So maybe if there's like severe storms, severe storms could form near this area before 10, which may have some tornado probability. I think that's gonna be like late tonight or early Saturday. Maybe earlier though, so maybe I'll get a chance to record it. But I hope he has something good. So So I guess maybe that'll be it for now. I'll be back to you when stuff gets good. So goodbye for now.